Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make a very basic book. I'm using white clay for the pages of the book. You can use the color of your choice. You can use maybe cream or beige. Here you see I'm dusting some powder for on the surface. That's because the clay seems to get stuck on the work surface while working, and when you add powder it's just easy. It makes the process very simple. So this is the inside of the book. Now for the cover, I have taken blue. You can take the color of your choice, of course. So keep the book inside the cover and then cut along its size. So this is a basic book. Now to add finer details to make it more realistic, so I'm going to add a bookmark, and my color is red. Cut a triangle at the edge so that it looks like this, a typical bookmark. So place it in the middle of the book and close it. And now we shall add details, that is pages. So now you have a lot of pages on the book. Initially we started off having 2 pages. Use the back of the knife to give it the depth. So it looks the book is used, not a new book. You can add finer details to the front cover. I have kept it very simple and basic. Thank you for watching.